Hello, my name is Michael, and today I am going to talk to you about houses. So watch and listen. The time is 10 p.m. late evening, and today is Friday. Outside the weather is raining, so I am going to talk about houses. This is my house. I am going to tell you about my house and the different rooms in my house. Okay, first, outside my house. This is my car. My car is in my driveway. A driveway is a piece of land in front of my house where I park my car. I drive my car in and park. Stop my car here. Then I get out of my car and I walk into my house. Through the front door into my front porch. This is a porch. In a porch, we keep shoes. When we enter, we untie and take off our shoes and put them in our porch. Now, through my porch is the kitchen. The kitchen is a room where I can cook on my oven and clean my dishes, my plates, forks, spoons, and knives in the sink. My fridge is also in my kitchen, where I keep my food. My kitchen also has a window to look through. Okay, so now I walk through my kitchen into the living room. In my living room is a chair to sit and watch television. Yeah. Okay, so downstairs I enter my basement. A basement is under the ground. Here. In my basement I have an office where I sit and work on my computer, and a washroom with a washing machine and a dryer to clean my clothes. So now I'm finished working and cleaning. I walk up my stairs, up my second stairs, and into my bathroom. In my bathroom, I have a toilet and a bath to wash myself, and a sink to wash my hands, I also have a mirror to look at my face and fix my hair. See? Next to my bathroom is my bedroom. In my bedroom, I have a bed for sleeping. I also have a wardrobe. In my wardrobe, so open the door, I keep my clothes. Above my bedroom is my attic space. To get into my attic, I need to pull down the ladder and climb up into my attic, where I store boxes and other things. The attic has a window in the roof. This is called a skylight. A skylight. Okay, now I'm going to climb down the ladder, walk down the stairs and out the back, through my back porch into my garden. I have a garden out the back. I have grass, see? Grass in my garden. My garden is nice. Okay, this is my house. Thank you for listening and for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.